So now we have your end credits. Now, I'm requiring you to put a fade at the very end. In order to do the fade, you see how this cursor looks? You hold down your control and click there, and then apply default transition. This also works on the audio. You can apply default transition. I don't want this one. Oh yeah, maybe I can use it. But then I have to also, whenever you put, and that's what I have to do. I have to put a transition on everything. So this is there we go. If I want the text to come after the box comes on, that's smooth, and they all go out together by me putting at the same time, putting a dissolve. So I have an end, so you got to fade to back and it's end, right? And then at the beginning, we do the same. You control click and you apply the default. So border on this as well. It's called the stroke. And I gave that other one a 3 or 5. I'm going to give this the same. Make sure I use the same color here. And this color here, that's that number. Okay. And I want to make sure that my stroke around the rectangle is the same color as the text, or else it looks awful.